living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. It's a long way down, trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know
Hi, this is Christian. So for today's video, I will go to Batu Caves. The easiest way to go to Batu Caves is to ride this line. This is the KTM line or the blue line. However, the waiting time for this line is 45 minutes to 1 hour. The travel time took me around 10 minutes from Central Barat. From the Batu Caves station, you can already see the entrance of the Batu Caves. There are three main spots here in Batu Caves, but the main entrance is free. The first spot is the Ramayana Cave. You need to pay 25 ringgit to enter.
Daming ibon.
The second spot is the Cave Villa. You can see a lot of animals here, including snake, tarantula, the big spider. For this one, you need to pay 5 ringgit. So for the third spot, this is the Temple Cave. This is free. To go to the cave, you need to climb up that stair. It looked very steep, but it's actually easy to climb. Along the way, you will see a lot of monkeys. You shouldn't touch them or they will attack you. You need to be very careful on your things because they will snatch it from you. The weather in Kuala Lumpur is unpredictable. Earlier, it was very sunny and right now, it was raining. We have this dark cave, but it's not open to the public. It took me 10 minutes to go to the very top of the stair. There are some stores inside the Batu Caves.
Souvenir shop.
The air inside the cave is cool, so you will be refreshed after your climb. There's another stair inside the Batu Caves, but it's not that high compared to the previous one.
May libre
There's free water inside the Batu Caves. Who is this cutie? There's also a souvenir shop inside the Batu Cave.
Hindi talaga binubuksan tong dark cave. Guard na.
I was very tired at this point, so I did not enter to the rest spot.
Meron din dito eh. Natamad nang pumasok. Good na ako. Good. Peacock. Ito, ang laki. Ang laki. Peacock. Daming peacock. Ito yung mayroong falls sa loob ng kuweba. Ayan na. Quality station.
That's all for my Batu Caves vlog.